ocean equals 38, and the 38th major eruption of Wyoming Steamboat Geyser in 2019 is coming at 1:47 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time on Wednesday, 2nd of October 2019. Melissa, Red Rain, Halloween of Jacob, Hurricane Rebecca. Melissa and Rebecca. Hurricane Melissa coming on Sunday the 13th of October 2019. October equals 78. Athletic, Melissa. And then Rebecca on Thursday the 31st of October 2019. The Halloween hurricane. Today's Tuesday the 1st of October. It's 1:55 p.m. 20 degrees. So, the 38th major eruption is coming after an interval of 7 days, 7 hours and 25 minutes. The 38th major eruption of 2019. Wednesday 25th of September at 6:22 a.m. That was the 37th major eruption. The next one's coming at 13:47 Mountain Daylight Time. Tomorrow, Wednesday, 2nd of October. It's 1:56. 666 equals 156. SIX. SIX, SIX. Freakish cyclone. Wicked cloud. 5/5 to 25. Baddie is 25. So there's two more baddies. And Steamboat's giving us a heads up. So 175 is the value of Steamboat Geyser, and it's the value of Hurricane Melissa. It's the same as 7 days, 7 hours and 25 minutes. 175 hours and 25 minutes. That's the interval, bringing us to 13:47 Mountain Daylight Time. Tomorrow, Hurricane Melissa, major eruption, Steamboat Geyser. The DJ time, 47 past. Kane the DJ, Shadow, Secret, Kinky Zombie. Shadow. The 70th major eruption of Wyoming Steamboat Geyser in its current active phase is coming at 1:47 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time on Wednesday, 2nd of October 2019. So it's major eruption 70 in the current active phase. It's 20 degrees. It's Tuesday, 1st of October 2019. 1:57 p.m. 19 degrees. The boy equals 75. The boy. Nathan is 58. The boy Nathan. 075058. So my car's done 75,058 kilometers. 75. The boy is 75. Hurricane Melissa, 175. Steamboat Geyser, 175. Birds, oracular messengers, angelic messengers of birds. So who's the DJ? Yiming Yuan, somehow connected to Nathan and Jake. Nathan David Breeze, 159 is the value of his name. The Boy, 75. Nathan, 58. Steam is 58. Steam. Nathan David Breeze, 159. And 1? Hey, that's the life path number of Selwyn. Selwyn Swain. Connection. There's a connection between all of them. There is. I knew there was. There definitely is. Ye Ming Yun. Hurricane Lorenzo, currently heading for the UK. He's from the UK. He's born in London. Where is he now? Singapore? What have you done?